Built for the long haul, best overlanding vehicles for endless journeys. What you're about to witness are not mere vehicles. These are apex predators of terrain. Unstoppable machines that climb mountains like molehills and charge through rivers like they don't exist. In 2025, these expedition titans are transforming impossible journeys into everyday adventures. Million-dollar monsters with the DNA of military hardware, but the soul of luxury condos. Machines that could take you around the world without seeing pavement. Buckle up. This is the elite class of overlanding vehicles built for long journeys. First on the list is the jaw-dropping Earth Roamer SX, a Colorado-based expedition vehicle that's completely redefining luxury overlanding. This isn't just an overlanding rig. It's a rolling 5-star resort that happens to dominate the most brutal terrain on the planet. Built to conquer everything from snow-covered mountain passes to scorching deserts, this powerhouse features customizable exteriors and cutting-edge navigation technology that puts most military vehicles to shame. But the real magic happens when you step inside. Forget cramped camper vibes. We're talking rich brown leather seating, refined hardwood finishes, and high-end amenities that create a legitimate 5-star experience. The kitchen would make professional chefs jealous, with induction cooking, convection oven capabilities, and enough counter space to prepare gourmet meals wherever you are. With comfortable sleeping for up to 6 people, a luxurious shower with endless hot water, and automated steps that deploy at the touch of a button, the Earth Roamer SX offers unmatched elegance without compromising off-road capability. The price tag? A cool $1 million. Yeah, you heard that right. But for those who want to explore without boundaries while living better than they do at home, this Colorado-made beast is the ultimate statement piece. And with a 1,500-mile range on a single tank, you'll spend more time exploring and less time searching for fuel. If there's one name that's achieved legendary status in the overlanding community, it's the Mercedes-Benz Unimog. The latest models have taken what was already an off-road icon and pushed it into territory that seems almost science fiction. Originally designed as agricultural implements after World War II, these German engineering masterpieces have evolved into the ultimate go-anywhere platform, with portal axles providing massive ground clearance, articulation that seems to defy physics, and enough torque to pull a small house. The Unimog doesn't care whether you're crossing the Sahara or tackling the Arctic tundra. What makes the Unimog special is its unmatched combination of reliability and capability. The U5023 model packs a 5.1-liter 4-cylinder diesel pushing 231 horsepower and an earth-moving 664 pound-feet of torque. Paired with the legendary Mercedes-Benz all-wheel drive system and differential locks, it's practically unstoppable. Companies worldwide are building incredible expedition campers on this chassis, with prices starting around $300,000 for a well-outfitted expedition model and climbing well past $750,000 for custom builds with all the bells and whistles. It's not cheap, but there's a reason these vehicles hold their value better than almost anything else on the market. The Unimog isn't just an overlanding vehicle. It's a multi-generational investment that will probably outlast its owner. Now let's talk about the Australian-built SLRV Commander, the vehicle that makes other expedition rigs look like toys. This absolute beast from down under is what happens when hardcore off-road engineering meets luxury apartment design. The Commander models are built on either MAN or Volvo 8x8 chassis, creating an unstoppable platform that can climb over obstacles that would stop other vehicles in their tracks. With multiple independently controlled axles and an advanced air suspension system, this monster can adapt to virtually any terrain while maintaining a surprisingly comfortable ride inside. But what sets the SLRV Commander apart is its expandable living space. At the push of a button, hydraulic systems deploy to nearly double the interior square footage, creating a 2-story expedition vehicle with enough room for a family of 8 to live comfortably for months off-grid. The model features a 12.5 kilowatt solar array, 20 kilowatt lithium battery bank, and water filtration systems that can purify water from virtually any source. Combined with massive fuel, water, and food storage capacities, you're looking at true self-sufficiency measured in months, not days. With prices starting around $850,000 and custom builds easily exceeding $2 million, the SL-RV Commander isn't for the faint of heart or light of wallet. But for extended family expeditions or those looking to live on the road for years at a time, there's simply nothing else that combines this level of off-road capability with residential comfort. Another vehicle on the list that perfectly balances extreme capability with practical size is the Earth Cruiser Explorer. This Australian-designed, American-built expedition vehicle is engineered from the ground up for people who are serious about global travel. Based on a modified Fuso 4x4 chassis, the 2025 Explorer model has been completely reimagined with a carbon fiber reinforced composite body that's both incredibly strong and surprisingly lightweight. This translates to better fuel economy and the ability to squeeze through tight trails that would stop larger expedition vehicles. What is most impressive about the Earth Cruiser is how they've maximized every cubic inch of space. The roof electrically raises to provide full standing height throughout, then lowers for travel to maintain a low center of gravity and improve aerodynamics. The queen-sized bed cleverly stores against the ceiling during the day, transforming the sleeping area into a comfortable dining space. It features a marine-grade electrical system with 1,600 watts of solar capability, lithium battery storage, and a diesel hydronic system that provides heat and endless hot water. With 140 gallons of freshwater capacity and advanced filtration, you can remain off-grid for weeks. Starting around $450,000, the Earth Cruiser Explorer isn't just an overlanding vehicle. It's a complete global exploration system that's crossed continents with its owners. Now here's something truly special. The Czech-built Tatra Phoenix motorhome, one of the most unique and capable platforms for serious expedition builds. What makes the Tatra Phoenix different from literally everything else on wheels is its revolutionary backbone tube chassis and independently suspended swing axles. This completely different approach to truck design results in otherworldly off-road performance. The central backbone protects all vital components while allowing each wheel to move independently, maintaining ground contact in situations that would leave other trucks helplessly spinning their wheels. The model features Tatra's air-cooled diesel engines producing up to 525 horsepower and a stump-pulling 1,850 pound-feet of torque. Combined with its incredible articulation and ground clearance, there's almost nowhere the Phoenix can't go. Several specialized expedition outfitters are now building incredible living modules on the Phoenix platform. These aren't just campers, they're completely self-contained exploration vessels designed for multi-year global journeys. With prices starting at around $900,000 for a well-equipped expedition model, they're not cheap, but the unique capabilities make them worth every penny for serious expedition teams. Not everyone needs a massive expedition vehicle, and that's where the brilliant SL-RV Daily comes in. Based on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 chassis, this Australian-built marvel proves you don't need a monster truck to have serious overlanding capabilities. What sets the SL-RV Daily apart from other Sprinter builds is the meticulous engineering behind every aspect of the conversion. The model features a completely reinforced chassis, upgraded suspension with remote reservoir shocks, and additional underbody protection that transforms the humble Sprinter into a surprisingly capable off-roader. Inside is where the SL-RV team shows its expertise. Every square inch is thoughtfully designed to create a spacious living space, despite the compact footprint. It features a full wet bath, a proper kitchen with induction cooking, and a convertible lounge area that doesn't feel like a compromise. The electrical system is equally impressive, with up to 600 watts of solar, lithium battery storage, and sophisticated power management systems. Combined with 26 gallons of fresh water and excellent insulation, the Daily is designed for extended off-grid adventures. Starting around $100,000, the SL-RV Daily represents the sweet spot for many overlanders, capable enough for serious adventure while remaining maneuverable and practical enough for everyday use. The Freedom Mog 20 represents the pinnacle of American Unimog conversions. Built on the iconic Mercedes platform we discussed earlier, this Colorado-based company has created something truly special for 2025. What distinguishes the Freedom Mog from other Unimog conversions is its focus on sustainable off-grid capabilities. The zero in the name refers to its carbon-neutral operation. something previously unheard of in the expedition vehicle world. The model incorporates a sophisticated hybrid system that allows the diesel engine to charge a massive battery bank, which then powers the vehicle in electric mode for up to 80 miles of silent, emission-free travel. The living module is equally impressive. Constructed from sustainable materials including reclaimed wood, bamboo, and recycled aluminum, the latest models feature a 4.5 kilowatt solar array, composting toilet, and water collection systems that can harvest rainwater for filtration and use. Despite its eco-friendly credentials, the Freedom Mog sacrifices nothing in terms of capability. The Unimog chassis ensures it can tackle terrain that would stop other vehicles, while the custom suspension system provides a surprisingly comfortable ride on rough trails. Starting around $550,000, the Freedom Mog 20 appeals to environmentally conscious adventurers who refuse to compromise on capability or comfort. It's proof that sustainable overlanding doesn't have to mean sacrifice. Entering the realm of extreme expedition vehicles with the Mercedes Unimog engineered EBA Camp U300. A Mercedes-Benz specialized off-road vehicle with permanent all-wheel drive, the Unimog U300 has become the gold standard chassis for expedition vehicles designed for the most challenging global adventures. With its distinctive high ground clearance and portal axles, these vehicles can traverse obstacles that would stop conventional 4x4s. What makes the Unimog U300 special is its incredible versatility and adaptability. The chassis offers exceptional payload capacity, up to 4.4 tons, while maintaining extraordinary off-road capability. The flexible frame construction allows for custom expedition modules featuring living quarters that can withstand extreme conditions, from -40°C to +50°C environments. The U300 features the renowned Mercedes-Benz OM904 LA 4-cylinder diesel engine, delivering 177 horsepower, with massive torque for crawling over obstacles. Its compressed air system enables on-the-fly tire pressure adjustments, while specialized hydraulic systems provide stabilization when parked on extreme terrain. Advanced water purification systems and high-capacity solar installations are common additions to these expedition builds. Inside, professionally converted Unimog U300 expedition vehicles offer surprising comfort with efficient space utilization. Many feature satellite communication capabilities, comprehensive navigation systems, and self-sufficient power management for extended off-grid living. With prices starting around $160,000 for basic conversions and fully customized expedition builds, easily exceeding $550,000, the Unimog U300 represents the ultimate investment for serious overlanders, demanding uncompromising capability and reliability in the world's most remote regions. Finally, we come to what might be the ultimate expedition vehicle, the MAN 18-ton camper van. This German-engineered colossus represents the absolute pinnacle of capability, durability, and living space for the most serious global travelers. Based on MAN's legendary TGM military chassis, the model features the incredible 6-cylinder diesel engine producing 430 horsepower and a mountain-moving 1,550 pound-feet of torque. The sophisticated all-wheel drive system with multiple looking differentials ensures traction in the most challenging conditions, while the central tire inflation system allows the driver to adjust pressure on the fly for different terrains. But it's the living module that truly sets this vehicle apart. With over 250 square feet of interior space, it's more like a luxury apartment than a traditional camper. This feature includes full-height ceilings throughout, separate bedroom and bathroom areas, and a lounge that can comfortably accommodate 8 people for dining or socializing. The systems are equally impressive. 3,000 watts of solar capacity, a 30 kilowatt per hour lithium battery bank, and a diesel generator for backup power. The water system includes multiple filtration stages, 300 gallons of freshwater storage, and gray-black water treatment capabilities for truly extended off-grid living. Ranging from $560,000, the MAN 18-ton camper represents a serious investment. But for those planning true global expeditions measured in years rather than weeks, nothing else provides this combination of extreme capability and comfortable living space. And there you have it, the absolute best overlanding vehicles. From compact but capable options to genuine expedition monsters, There's never been a better time to pursue the overlanding lifestyle. If you enjoyed this, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Drop a comment below letting us know which of these incredible machines you'd choose for your ultimate adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, and we'll see you on the trail.